2014 Goodman gas furnace, 90 plus efficient. When we diagnosed it, it had cracked heat exchanger, and obviously it's hard to see physically if the heat exchanger is cracked or not. We did just combustion test on it, but on the back side, well, now it's replaced. On the back side, if I open this back side, then we can see that there is a big crack in heat exchanger. So far I see only one. I'm pretty sure there will be some other smaller cracks as well. I just don't see. But this is actually opening. It's not even crack anymore. It's like an opening. So it's very important to do combustion test on 90 plus efficient furnaces, because typically we see more failed heat exchangers on 90 plus efficient furnace rather than 80%. Obviously 80% also fails, but the primary heat exchanger failed in this case. Secondary heat exchanger, which is at the bottom, that's the secondary here, I believe that's okay. There is nothing wrong with that, but secondary heat exchanger also gets clogged. And in a moment I'm going to take off the inducer and we can see what it looks like inside while the primary is open like that. Inducer's off. The secondary actually looks fine. It does not look clogged or anything, but only the primary failed. It's in rough shape. What happens with this plastic cover for the secondary heat exchanger, it starts leaking, and if it's not addressed right away, then that's what happens. It goes more and more. I'm pretty sure that first there was a leak somewhere. It was the small one, and then, but this is relatively new furnace, 2014, and it's 2022. So these furnaces typically last way longer than that. Well, it was in rough conditions, looks like. That's another thing. But just wanted to show you what a cracked heat exchanger looks. Once you have actually access to the back side, that's how clearly we can see what happens to it. Thanks for watching.